Have you ever wondered? How did ancient civilizations build wonders like the pyramids, the Stonehenge, or the temples of Angkor, without even knowing what electricity was? No machines, no motors. And yet they created marvels so perfect that even today, modern science struggles to explain them. Let's journey back thousands of years into an age of genius when human intellect was the only power source, and discover how our ancestors mastered every field, from engineering to astronomy, medicine to communication, and even spirituality, without a single electric spark. Harnessing nature as energy. In the absence of electricity, ancient people looked to nature and turned her rhythms into power. Water and wind became their first energy sources. The Greeks and Romans built water wheels that ground their grain and powered sawmills. Across deserts and coastlines, windmills spun tirelessly, pumping water and turning millstones. Every drop, every breeze was used with precision. Nature was not an obstacle to them. It was their silent partner. Mechanical brilliance. The power of simplicity. When we think of machines, we imagine metal and motors, but ancient engineers built machines of pure logic. They mastered levers, pulleys, and inclined planes, the very principles that later shaped modern physics. With these, they raised stones weighing hundreds of tons to build the Great Pyramids, the Colosseum, and the temples of India. They calculated angles, used counterweights, and employed simple mathematics to solve problems that still baffle us today. Their tools were not made of steel, but of mind and measurement. Architectural wonders that defy time. How did civilizations thousands of years ago design structures that still stand today? The secret lies in geometry and balance. They discovered the arch, the vault, and the dome, allowing weight to distribute evenly across space. That's how the Pantheon in Rome still stands intact after 2,000 years. The Romans also built aqueducts, carrying fresh water over mountains and valleys, using only gravity and precision stonework. Each block was cut to fit so perfectly that water flowed continuously, a true masterpiece of early civil engineering. The science of the stars, ancient astronomy and astrology. Long before telescopes, ancient astronomers observed the skies with the naked eye, and what they discovered was astonishing. The Babylonians charted planetary movements. The Mayans built observatories aligned with celestial events. In India, astronomers calculated the Earth's circumference with near-modern accuracy. Without any instruments, they tracked the precession of equinoxes, the movements of planets, and even predicted eclipses, centuries before modern science confirmed their accuracy. For them, the stars were not just distant lights. They were a cosmic clock, a spiritual guide, and the foundation of time itself. Communication, trade, and the birth of knowledge. Knowledge was their electricity. It flowed from mind to mind, nation to nation, through trade, symbols, and writing. The Sumerians invented cuneiform, the first written script. The Egyptians carved hieroglyphs into stone, preserving their wisdom for eternity. From India to Greece, scholars exchanged mathematics, medicine, and philosophy along ancient trade routes. Civilizations connected through knowledge, the true network of humanity long before the internet was imagined. Medicine beyond modern understanding. Ancient physicians studied not through laboratories, but through observation, plants, and intuition. The Ayurvedic texts of India, Chinese herbal medicine, and Egyptian surgical records reveal a world far ahead of its time. They knew how to treat wounds, set bones, and even perform brain surgeries using natural tools and antiseptics. What's truly remarkable is their understanding of balance, of body, mind, and spirit. Their medicine wasn't just about survival. It was about harmony. Spiritual and scientific harmony. Unlike today, where science and spirituality are often divided, ancient civilizations saw them as one truth. The movement of stars, the rhythm of seasons, the structure of temples, everything was designed with cosmic synchronization. Temples aligned perfectly with solstices, pyramids pointed to celestial constellations, and rituals followed astronomical patterns. To them, the divine was the design of the universe itself. And through that belief, they achieved an understanding that blended science with soul, the legacy of human genius. So how did they achieve so much without electricity? The answer is simple. Through the electricity of the human mind, curiosity was their current, nature was their laboratory, and imagination was their greatest invention. From the pyramids to the stars, from healing herbs to written scripts, ancient civilizations proved that innovation doesn't need wires or machines. It only needs wonder. So the next time you look at an ancient monument, remember, you are not just seeing stone and history, you are witnessing the brilliance of humanity, long before the first light bulb was ever lit. Viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and like my channel Stories and More and share to others. Thank you for watching.